Hello guys, I'm holding the camera while I'm recording as well. Today we are finally putting a Christmas tree up. I'm super excited about that. And for our theme this year, we want to keep it blue with some gold, with some white. I think I'm going to add a little bit of touch of red, not too much, because this is the color of our couch. It's behind me. This is the color of a couch and I want to keep it like that. I don't want to deviate from it much. So we're not going to be too much talking today. You guys just going to see me decorate the tree. I'm going to try to take you guys along as much as I can. And if you guys like this video, please help me support my channel and help my channel grow. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's start decorating and happy holidays. So this is my Christmas tree, guys. It comes in 3 parts. This is the bottom, the middle, and top. And guys, I know this is going to take me hours because I have to fluff up the tree. And this is the little runner I'm going to put under the tree. And I had to fold my rug because I don't want anything to get on my rug. It's white. I don't want it to get messed up. And I'm going to have to vacuum the floor when I'm done. And I'm in the Christmas spirit. Look at my socks. If you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Okay guys, these are the ornament and the decoration that I'm working with. And this year I got all my decoration from Walmart. Some I got them from Michael's, I believe, and I also got some from the Dollar Tree. And for my Christmas tree, I also got it from Walmart. And for the skirt that going under the tree, I got that from Michael's. And this is the corner right there by the chair where I'm going to put the Christmas tree. So I just put the first part. It wasn't really a struggle, and I have these 2 left to do. And I'm about to put some Christmas music on and just work on this. And guys, when you are putting your tree up, please be patient and make sure you fluff up your tree, because this tree can get really full, but you have to be patient. And also, I would suggest that you light up your tree so that you can see what you are working with when you are doing your decoration. And I got these cones that I'm going to put under the tree from Michael's. And I got these little decors. I got this ribbon. All of these I got them from Michael's as well. And I find these little feathers. I believe they're like white and silver glitter. I was just walking around Walmart and I saw them and they look really cute. So I think they'll look really nice on the tree as well. And I got these silver feathers. I don't know what type of plant is that, but I got it from Michael's. And these are the lights that I'm going to use. I wanted to do white light, but I wanted more decor in my tree, so I decided to do like a multicolor light. Alright, just enjoy the music and just enjoy the decoration. And for these 2 ornaments, I got them from Walmart. They were so beautiful. I think I got these 2 for $6, and I got these ornaments from Michael's, and they were also half off. So I think I got them for $15 or $20. And these ones were half off as well. I got them from Michael's. Honestly, I know I wanted to keep one color theme, but I went a little crazy when I started seeing all the decors that I was seeing in the store. I wanted to get everything. But when you are decorating your tree, guys, and the bigger ornament that you have, make sure you have them in the bottom and make sure you have them kind of inside the tree, that they look like they are coming out from the tree. That way it'll make your tree look fuller and stuff. So these are the bigger ornaments. I'm starting with the bigger ornaments first before I start putting the little one. And I got these ornaments, all of them I got them from Michael's. And I got the blue ones that you guys will be seeing later on. I got those from Walmart. And I got these ribbons from Walmart. I got these 2 ribbons from Walmart, so I'm going to put them around the tree. When you are putting your ribbon around your tree, guys, make sure you tuck it in inside. That way the ribbon kind of look like it's going around the tree. And that's it. So now we're just gonna clean up and see the big reveal of the tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to help me grow my channel. And this is the final look of the Christmas tree. I hope you guys enjoy it. In this gift basket that you guys are seeing under the tree, I'm the owner of Le Seasoning, and this year we made Cremas gift baskets, and I still have them for sale on my website for the holiday. And for this glass vase, guys, I usually have it on top of my dining room table. I usually put fresh fruit in there, but I didn't want to waste the rest of the ornaments, so I just add them in there and put it on top of the TV stand. I think it looks really nice, and it really matched the theme as well. So this is what a TV stand looked like. I kept it very simple. So for the stairs, I didn't really have a theme. I didn't really know what to do, so I just decided to put stuff in there, and it turned out really nice. I think I like it. I think I did a good job with the stairs. It's really simple, and I didn't want to waste the rest of the decor, so I just added something in there. And guys, this is only part one of my Christmas decor decoration. I'm also doing the kitchen, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see part two when I got the kitchen ready. And for my coffee table, guys, for the flower arrangement that I already had in my coffee table, I decided to not take them out, so I decided to just add some Christmas theme flowers in there and some other decoration and make it and turn it into a big full bouquet. And that's it, guys. This is how the living room look. I am so happy with the decor. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a safe and a happy holiday. Bye.